Yeah. Let's go, Brock.
Damn, I almost shot all mine before you shot one.
That's right. Tell him that.
Woo! 225.
Nice. From the hip. From the hip.
Redemption. Ooh, that last split though.
Yeah, I was
It's a
gonna say.
1.5.
Yeah.
203.
203. Damn.
The last split time was 0.15.
0.1.
Yeah.
Clean.
193.
Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. I didn't even aim. See, that's the thing. I didn't even aim. Just point, shoot the whole time. No red dot. Yes, sir. All the way back.
Yes, sir. Freak.
I'm getting swole.
Fun drill, too. You're responding. Yeah.
Shooters ready? Move.
Woo. You didn't?
No. And it was clean.
Nice. Clean. All right. Yep.
Stand by.
That's faster. That's faster. That's what I want to do.
Oh no, it says 277.
No. No. Okay, fine. Single then. Watch this.
I love it so much. I love it so much.
Right there. Let's see how fast I can run this.
You're ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Oh no, there's still a 2 and a 7 in it.
Oh, damn.
2.7.
Well, how's the splits going?
From the concealed, but is it really that complicated, right? Do you need a whole 6-8 hour day? It's just shooting a pistol. All you got to do is get the shirt out of the way, right? So we made it a workshop instead, because then it's just all on you guys to come semi-prepared. Like, everybody's pretty familiar with their setups. Nobody's a brand new shooter to their concealed setup. And we're gonna get tons and tons and tons of reps in today, really focusing on the defensive shooting. That's our goal for today. Woo! There's a thing we talk about when we do our draw outside the waistband called bilateral neural facilitation. One thing that's gonna help you guys is with this hand, you're moving super fast with this offhand. You're really trying to get that shirt out of the way extremely fast. Just like a sprinter is gonna pump their arms to help their other side of their body move faster, do that with your draw. Get it, David. Woo! Nice. Yeah. Nice job, man. Bring it in. Yeah. Nice job, David. Woo! Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so we just finished up our mobile conceal workshop here at the Armory. Really effective class, one of our best classes. They absolutely crushed it. One of the main takeaways from everybody was, oh, wow, I hadn't trained moving, getting off the X in multiple different directions while drawing the pistol. So very, very important to add that to your toolbox. Stop being static, get mobile, move those hands fast like a sprinter. Yeah, see you guys later.